Today I was cleaning keyboards and I thought, hey, this would be a great opportunity to show you how to clean a keyboard. So today I'm going to show you the technique that I use to clean these keyboards. As you can see, this thing is nasty. I don't know if you can see all the filth and muck that's in there, but it's pretty gross. And hopefully when I'm done it'll look like brand new. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pop off the corner key here. And as you can see, just by doing that, you can see all the filth and muck that's just in that corner. And I'm also going to take off the num lock key, the 10 key, and I'll just set those off to the side for now. You're going to want to get a long brush, or a long bristled brush, so that you can get down inside the keys and get all that junk out of there. And I just start by pushing it all down into that corner. I do the same thing with the same key. Just kind of roll it down to where it all falls down the new corner. And as you can see by the table, how much junk that I'm getting out of it. That's just from going through the bristles. Alright. So that is disgusting. So next what I'm going to do, get rid of that. We'll vacuum that up later. I'm going to take, you can use a shop vac or you can use a can of air. We use a vacuum cleaner and use the exhaust port because it's a lot cheaper than the cans of air. And I'm just going to blow any remaining assembly out of it. Alright, so that got most of the big stuff. Set this off to the side for now. Now I'm going to go ahead and stick the keys back on there. Spray it down with a little all-purpose cleaner. Down. That direction. Try to get it at every angle, all the sides of the key. That down. And I usually blow it out one more time just for good measure. I'm sure that's loud on the video. As you can see, looks much better than it did before. And that's how you quickly clean a keyboard. Have a great day.